Good morning, this is Steve from SMKR. I am live at the IPMS convention here in Phoenix, Arizona, 2018. I am in the contest room. I'm going to turn the camera around and we'll have a look.
Yeah, you got the. It's pretty related straight. I guess is what I'm saying.
Talk about not to cheaters, no instruction sheet.
Yeah, look at this. Markings are painted on. Yeah.
It's
pretty good.
See those the black and white stripes?
Yeah, that's when
they call them invasion stripes. And the Allies came out with those on
36, right? Third time bacon and cheese over, you know, bacon in her car. You heard the story where they hire them to split the shopping
One guy everything.
Oh, in his big Muslim community. You come in the supermarket, like say, there's bacon on it. No, you gotta get somebody else to bring this up. Your brother? Yeah, that's good. Yeah, that's where we pick up our. That's where we pick up our Corvettes. You can't read signs. And you can see how it's moving. Oh, you see something that's actual hypothetical. I know. Like Eric and I were just on facilities. In fact, they're doing work down in Dearborn right now.
Actually, the hypothetical's over there.
Yeah. We did around 5 times a day. They were all running prayer. Yeah, that's about it. Yeah, the Sunday will be fast, you know, that's it. Oh, did you? Yeah.
Oh, it's all done.
Yeah. Well, that's better than the rain gets back there.
The split is right. Okay, here. Yeah, the eagle. This here.
Unfair.
But the thing is, I'll tell you what I've been doing this thing is so freaking delicate. And then we'll do that.
Yeah.
We'll do that. They got to do that. We saw that.
So we have judges moving models. Particularly agree with moving models, but that's what they do here.
Something's flapping in the breeze. We're getting guy stuff.
Hi Bob, how you doing? Some awesome stuff here, Bob. Awesome.
I tried to, we decided
Somewhere in a million
Move around here a bit. I'm going to go to the Spruce Goose. But pretty good turnout. Tables aren't as full as you would think they would be, but there's a lot of models here. Like group or SIGs displayed here.
C or G or have a real hitch right in the middle.
I wanted to ask you about your handle there.
Yeah, hang on a second.
That's
I'm live right now. I don't even know if I'm live. I said I was blocked. Let me finish this out.
That's fine.
Okay, I am back. I don't know if I got banned because of the music. Kind of ridiculous. Like I said, these are all like groups and SIGs here. Here's the spruce goose. Okay, so one of the airplanes got moved.
Small things that will completely overwhelm the defense.
Small little.
Or big ones too. Big things too. It depends. But you launch 1,000 of those on a target, and your real airplane, a couple of your real airplanes are behind them. You're going to take a shot of that chronoplane, especially head on.
Here we go.
Sorry, Dan.
No, that's okay. Brother and sister.
Hey, show me that table.
So hi Tommy, how you doing? You should be here, man. This is cool. I needed somebody to have a drink with.
Did you get your question answered?
Yes, I did. Thank you.
Not really, but would have been fun if you were here, Tommy.
Thank you, buddy. I'm not just.
You can.
No.
We have shrimp.
Yeah, well. This part, this part, this I would have to press. So no matter what. Yeah. So the nose of like there's all kinds of little tricks like that that we use to be able to take it apart so that we don't have that stuff.
Right. Well, especially for this, like just to bring it to a show, you feel like it's big.
Yeah.
Sweet, dude. Sweet. What's your favorite Gundam universe, like show-wise?
I know, like I started because of what I saw in Wings, but like the one that really brought me in was C, and you can see.
Okay. Yeah, Gundam Wing is where my heart is. I have seen a Gundam. What's the one where he's like he has shining finger? What's that one called?
Oh, the G Gundam.
Yeah, G Gundam. Let's see, I've watched that too. These are nice, man. These are really rare builds.
Yeah, all these, and then the red one right there.
You got like a whole collection at your house, huh? Or
Yeah, I think I've got tons. These are the ones I'm like, you know what, I'm coming out here and they're mine.
Those things are really taking off.
oh, okay. Kind of too far away. Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Want to come by?
Yeah, that's why you just whole roll of film. Yeah, that's what I like about this thing.
Get a chance.
Very nice. Look at this.
Yeah, not much science fiction.
Some guys got it.
Hey, Gil.
Thanks for. Heck yeah. Later.
I've seen that kit on the shelf and I had no idea what it looked like. It's hard to tell by the box, but yeah, that's really cool.
Hey, this is probably the last showing I'm going to do, and then I'm going to strip it and paint it all again.
Oh, really?
I don't like the way the paint came out.
Paint it all what?
Yeah.
Gray?
I'm going to paint and repaint it.
Oh.
It's going to get a repaint.
Gotcha.
Oh, cool, man. Still looks good, though. It still looks good.
I need to go fill it. I forgot I had to say.
Yeah, having a pretty good time. Pretty good time. Yo.
I saw Alan Hessel a while ago. Did you get to talk to your brother? I think Alan has a question.
I don't know if you did. You missed this one, Gil. This is the back side of it.
Oops, excuse us.
What in the world is that giant thing?
Well, that's a... I don't know.
I can see the figures.
Good question. What about the Aether? In our club, it was like
I have pictures of both A34 and P34 together. That's someplace that people probably know. And there's vast difference between them.
So there you go, folks. I'm going to go ahead and take some video and shoot some pictures. So head over to my YouTube channel, Scale Model Kit Review, or over on Facebook, Scale Model Kit Review there, Twitter, and Instagram. I will be posting up videos and pictures from the IPMS Nationals, and I hope you all follow along. Please subscribe to my channel. Hi, Gil. Hi, everybody. I got lots of photographs to take because I haven't even taken the aircraft photos or the ships, so got lots of work to do today. So everybody have a great day. Take care.
I want to stop.